What's going on, guys? This is Nick here, and I'm going to be making another video, and I am going to be talking about if you go to the Phillies games, you sometimes get WWB Mason trucks. I think that's how you say. Wait, this is the truck. You can see it's a nice truck. I got it signed by all the broadcasters for the Phillies. That was pretty nice. I can't open there. It was pretty nice getting signed by the Phillies broadcasters. And this is the truck. I never took it out out of the plastic. And like a truck, and then I got signed by, I forget who that is. I got signed right there. And when I got signed by a ball, but I do not know where it is. I got a lot of balls. I am going to do a tour. Not a tour, just talking and probably putting all of my balls out. And putting how much balls I have, baseballs. And then I just put them up. And one time I got them all by Philly players. And them too. Right on his face. But see that who but W Mason signs right up top. Well, my last game I went to, I sat right up there. But that might be the end of the video. Let me just put this more. I'll put that back in after the video. But I hope you enjoy. Smash that like button. Hope you enjoy and subscribe. Peace.